Hi, I'm Sakshi and I'm currently a first year PhD student in the Department of Material Science and Metallurgical Engineering at IIT Hyderabad. It hasn't been that long since I started this journey, so I still remember exactly how it feels. Excited, a little confused and full of questions. One thing that really stood out to me after joining is the kind of practical exposure you get. Very early on, you get hands-on experience with instruments like SEM and TEM. It's quite exciting to actually work on them and see the micro and nanoscale features of materials yourself. It really brings theory to life. We also have access to advanced techniques like Atom Probe Tomography, which allows you to study materials at the atomic level in 3D. Not many places offer this, and it really expands the kind of research you can do. What I have really liked is the overall environment. The labs are great, but more than that, it's the people. Seniors are very helpful and faculty members are approachable. You can easily walk up and discuss your ideas even if they are still not fully clear. And it's not just about research all the time. Campus life is quite vibrant. You meet people from different departments, attend seminars and workshops, and there is always something happening on the campus. I think what makes MSME at IITH special is that you are not expected to know everything from day one. You are here to learn, explore, and to gradually grow into a researcher. So, if you are thinking about a PhD and you are someone who is curious and willing to learn, this could be a really great place to start your journey. Maybe I'll see you around the campus soon.